The allure of passive income is undeniable. The idea of earning money while you sleep or go about your daily routine is appealing to many. But how can you achieve this? One effective way is by leveraging your digital skills. In this video, we'll explore various avenues to create a passive income stream using your digital expertise. First, let's talk about affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a social media following, you can promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Platforms like Amazon Associates make this process straightforward. Next, consider creating digital products like ebooks, templates, or stock photos. Websites like Etsy and Gumroad are excellent platforms for selling such products. If you're proficient in a particular subject, creating and selling online courses can be highly lucrative. Websites like Udemy and Coursera offer a platform to host your courses and attract a broad audience. Another avenue is software development. If you have coding skills, you can develop apps, plugins, or even full-fledged software solutions. You can sell these on platforms like the App Store, or offer them as software as a service SaaS, generating recurring revenue. For those with design skills, selling digital art or printables can also be a profitable venture. Websites like Redbubble allow you to upload your designs, which can be printed on various products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of content creation. If you can produce high-quality videos, podcasts, or articles, platforms like YouTube and Medium offer monetization options. In conclusion, the digital world is ripe with opportunities for generating passive income. All it takes is the right skill set, a strategic approach, and the dedication to set up and maintain your income streams.